Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. I'm going to show you how to take this back seat out of a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek. First thing you got to do is you got to throw the seats forward. No big deal. Second thing is I'm just going to set up a light here. Yeah, there's like a center hoop right here in the middle of the seat. If you look down in there, you can just lift. Actually, it's right here. So all it is like a little hook, and it's steel, and it's welded to the seat. So obviously the seat's not lifting. So if you feel around to this side, there's like a little round part of the seat right here. Just get on this side of the hook, and you'll feel like a little plastic finger. All you do is you pull it towards you and lift up. Simple. I'm going to show it to you right now. So, yeah, we're going to set the camera up, or the light, I'm sorry. Okay, it's right here. So there's the hook. And all you do is reach your finger in there and pull. Reach your finger in there and pull. And lift up on the seat at the same time. Make sure it's in. No big deal. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I'm going to do it again. It's simple. Just, you can see the outlay of the seat. And you do that on both sides. And the seat just comes out. You can just see it just pulls out. You just lift up the seat. Yeah, it just pulls out. It's super easy. Let's hop over to the other side here. We'll get you set up. Takes 2 seconds. This is in real time. There's the cutout of the seat. All you do is you reach in, lift or pull that tab, and it's done. Yep. It's just on well, you could pull both tabs if you wanted, but I just reach in there with my finger, boop. Make sure it's in. Yep. Done deal. So yeah, reach, pull, and then the seat just comes right out. You just lift it and pull, and the seat belt latches here will come right out. They're just stuffed in. So push the seat back in. 2 hands better than one. Got that one stuffed back in. Might as well get the other one in. I was taking out the seat for cleaning, and figured I'd make a quick video here. So make sure that's in, locks in, done deal. Yeah, hope you guys like the content. Appreciate you liking, hitting the bell, thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me grow, and totally appreciate it. So thank you very much. Hope you're having a good day, and see you on the next video. Thank you.